Dear medical professionals and students, the functions of the liver, the useful topic for your career, is presented in this video. Kindly listen and utilize it.
Functions of liver. The first and foremost function of liver is metabolic function. Among the metabolic functions, the primary metabolism is carbohydrate metabolism. Excess glucose in the blood is converted to glycogen in the liver and stored. When there is a demand for glucose in the blood, glycogen is again converted to glucose and released into the blood. Also, glucose is synthesized from non-carbohydrate sources. The process is called gluconeogenesis, which is occurring in the liver. Galactose and fructose are converted to glucose. In the alcohol metabolism, alcohol dehydrogenase is the major enzyme that plays the role. Next is the fat metabolism. The degradation of triglycerides and phospholipids into fatty acids by the enzyme called lipoprotein lipase occurs in hepatocytes. The fatty acids undergo beta oxidation in the mitochondria to liberate energy in the citric acid cycle. Triglycerides are synthesized from carbohydrates. Cholesterol and phospholipids are synthesized from fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids are synthesized from acetate. Lipoproteins like high density lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein, very low density lipoprotein, and chylomicron synthesis occurs in hepatocytes. Next is protein metabolism. Deamination of amino acids occur in the hepatocytes. Toxic ammonia is removed by the formation of urea in the liver. Non-essential amino acid formation occurs in liver. Next is the secretory function. The primary secretory function is the formation of bile and secretion. Bile is formed in the hepatocytes and secreted into biliary canaliculi. The rate of secretion is about 1000 ml per day. Bile acids emulsify the fat particles, which is acted by pancreatic lipase and helps in the absorption of fats. Also, the excretion of bilirubin and excess cholesterol occurs in liver. Next function is detoxification and blood cleansing action of the liver. Colonic bacteria that enter through portal vein are removed by phagocytic macrophages called Kupffer cells. Kupffer cells are present in the sinusoids of the liver. Drugs like sulfonamides and penicillin are removed by the process called oxidation, hydrolysis, reduction, and conjugation. The next function is storage function. The primary storage form of glucose, which is glycogen, occurs in liver up to 100 grams. Vitamin B12, a water-soluble vitamin, is stored in liver. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K are stored in liver. Among them, vitamin A is specifically stored in stellate cells, also called Ito cells in liver. Excess iron in the blood it combines with apoferritin protein in the hepatocytes. And when there is a demand for iron in the blood, iron is released from apoferritin and iron balance occurs. More excess of iron is stored as hemosiderin in the liver. Excretory function. Certain drugs and dyes like bromsulphthalene and rose bengal are exclusively excreted through liver. Synthetic functions. The primary plasma protein, albumin, which is essential for the oncotic pressure of the blood, is exclusively synthesized in liver. Vitamin K dependent coagulation factors like 2, 7, 9, 10 are formed in liver. Formation of prothrombin occurs. Enzymes like alkaline phosphatase, serum glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase called SGOT, also called as AST, and serum glutamic pyruvic transaminase SGPT, also called ALT, are formed in the liver. Ketone bodies are formed in the liver. Next is other functions. Blood volume in hepatic veins and sinus is 450 ml, that is 10% of the total blood volume. When the right atrial pressure increases, up to 1 liter of extra blood can be stored in the liver. Hormones like thyroxine and steroids are degraded in liver. When there is liver damage, the excess activity of these hormones occurs. Thank you.